Hey, what's up guys? We'll be looking at AUDUSD today. I will show you some potential setups. What could we expect next week and what is gonna probably happen. Same as a short opportunity kinda, but I'll show you. So let's start into daily time frame just to kind of analyze our current situation. So after a while, since we are going down for a while, right now we can see some relief. As you can see, we recently flipped into bullish push kinda. On lower time frame, we could see some ranges and smaller pushes. So let me just start with marking some of these daily levels. They are not really important for us right now, but what I wanted to show you on daily, that's everything I do, is just to have a quick look where is the market heading currently. And as you can see, they're currently heading towards the upside. So on hourly time frame, we can see that I'll show you that we have been breaking structure quite recently with impulsive moves. I'll show you which zones we currently filled. So after we flipped the structure, we flipped this and mitigated this zone as well as in here. But these are the future or past, not future. These are the past zones you could get the longs from. Currently what we are looking at is this zone, which actually closed on Friday in here. So on Monday I expect short coming down downside. We can refine this on 15-minute, which we will do in a couple seconds. But firstly, I want to show you why I mean or why I believe this zone is the one. Because we had a break of structure in here. We had a demand zone in here, which didn't get filled, but that's another confirmation for longs, because if this one filled and held, you would see a, let me bring this, you would see pretty much, let me change the color and we'll quickly do it. Okay, so if this demand zone held, you would see this slowly coming down towards this zone, and then we would see expansion towards upside. But we flipped this demand zone and created a new supply zone because we went below this lows. And this is the last bearish candle, which will provide us with the structure. And since this happened, we had a clear momentum coming to the downside. So this is the zone we are interested in. 15-minute, you could refine this zone into this little candle, which would be most likely the zone we would be seeking shorts from. You can execute the entries on the lower time frame as well as 1 second, but currently I'm using just 1 minute. And we had a break above in here, but I believe this will be 50% of this zone. Yes, you could enter on the 50% of the refined zone. But what are we looking at on 1 minute for entries is structure points again. So this was the last zone we were looking at, and this is the low, this is the high, and you can see we slowly were breaking down, and this is the main zone we flipped the structure again with some nice momentum, so you could be taking entries from this zone. So currently I would be getting stop loss in here, and we would be patiently waiting for the short. I would like to see it in here since we tapped the supply at least, so that would be 1 to 18 currently. I know it sounds crazy, but we could as well see this zone being filled. And with that, it would be very nice trade, as there's liquidity below. Sorry, I have been interrupted and had to finish something. But okay, we are real quick back. I was looking that we finished in here, so what I would be looking at in here is this little wick, which would be a liquidity for us, which should get filled, and this is demand zone should get filled as well if you want to continue to the upside. And it very much depends on what we will do next on the 15-minute. But if we will retrace slowly in here, and then you could be looking for more shorts. We have this unfilled zone in here. We could see the shorts from. And if you look in here, this was the last demand zone in 3 minutes, which it reacted to. But I believe this will break down very quickly. And with that, we would have a 1.1240 nearly trade. Also, there's some unmitigated zone in here, which caused this fundament. I believe it was the FOMC, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I believe this will go down in on Monday. It might not be that far, but still we could enter in here. This is the first video on AUDUSD, so we have to kind of set it up, and then I will continue from this. This is just my current view and what happened during the week. I won't be giving you analysis that much on the past setups, but on the future ones. So this is the one zone I would be looking at right now. You can kind of see how I think about it. Why is this zone looking like that? And what could happen next? And yeah, so next video we will break down some possible future outcomes, but this is what I would be looking at right now. So please be careful with longs. It might go down very, very quickly on Monday. And this is going to be it for the daily update on the AUDUSD. We'll be trying to do more updates. They might not be daily on the Forex pairs, but I will try to make them as much as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.